just come across this silly charade. A channel called The Final Experiment. The final experiment is coming. The debate will be settled once and for all. Are you ready? Well, here's the thing, Final Experiment channel. There is no debate. The globe belief system got crushed, destroyed by demonstrable reality in 2014. Fact. So there is no debate. And the fact this channel refers to the Earth as a planet kind of gives the game away about the intentions of this channel. It's obviously up to no good. So it's clearly best to ignore this silly tosh. The final experiment. I'll tell you what, I'll give you a final experiment that can be tested and verified by every single person on this Earth, the results of which prove the globe is scientifically impossible. Fact. Prove tower cranes and pendulums can be dead still and plumb whilst doing ludicrous speeds in 4 different directions at the same time like the globe Earth theory says. Prove that with a practical demonstration involving a pendulum. Now here's the thing, if you're going to put your travelling pendulum on a plane, I expect it to hang from the roof to just above the floor. Remember, you're supposedly mimicking a tower crane doing ridiculous speeds on a spinning ball. Tower cranes are very tall, industrial items that pick up heavy goods from the floor and can be hundreds and in some cases up to 1,000 or so feet tall. So I expect your demo replicating a tower crane to have a pendulum that's the height of your travelling apparatus, whether it be a plane, a car, or whatever it is you're going to use to try and do this demonstration to prove your globe Earth theory. Every single one of you is going to come up with the same results. Any pendulum that travels will deviate from the plumb. Fact. Proving scientifically without a shadow of a doubt that globe Earth theory is scientifically impossible. Not an opinion, a demonstrable fact that every single person on this Earth can test and verify for themselves. It should be obvious by now. So there's your final experiment. Forget about going to wherever it is, Antarctica, and no doubt doing some stargazing or who knows what. Don't need to go there. Demonstrable reality destroys the globe Earth theory. I don't replace that with something until full exploration has been done. Until then, I stand by demonstrable reality, which destroys the globe Earth theory. Fact. So should you. Don't play the games of propaganda with propagandists who want you to dance to their tune. It's ridiculous. This silly pantomime so-called debate wouldn't have gone on this long if we'd only stuck to what is demonstrably true. That's all you need to do. Like I said, you want a final experiment? The tower cranes pendulum demo is that experiment. Destroys your globe Earth theory. These fantasists will not even be able to replicate a pendulum travelling in a linear fashion, staying dead still and plumb, yet alone one going in different directions at the same time. 4 different directions at the same time, doing ludicrous speeds. And any deluded fool who says, "Oh, the Earth only rotates once a day, therefore it's slower than a clock." When was the last time you saw a clock spin or go around its face at 1,000 miles an hour? Never. So comparing ridiculously different size radiuses and then using rotations as your measuring reference is insane. And if you're going to do that, please seek help. Because if the radius is different, which it clearly is from a clock to the globe Earth dimensions, then your rotations per day and your example with a clock is just insane and quite frankly retarded. When dealing with the speeds of the globe Earth, I don't compare radiuses to different things that don't match the speeds. I deal with the miles per hour, the reference of the speeds at hand. I don't entertain sophist, deluded, non-scientific tosh. You want your final experiment? There it is. Prove tower cranes can be dead still and plumb whilst doing ludicrous speeds in all different directions. I dare you.